Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're delving into a topic that affects all of us at some point in our lives: everyday stress. Stress is a natural part of life, but how we manage it can make a significant difference in our overall well-being. In this extended discussion, we'll explore various coping mechanisms that can help us navigate and reduce the impact of everyday stress. So, let's dive right in and start this important conversation. First, let's talk about what stress actually is. Stress is the body's response to any demand or challenge. When you encounter a perceived threat, your body undergoes a series of automatic responses to prepare for fight or flight. This response includes releasing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, increasing your heart rate, and tensing your muscles. While this response can be useful in truly dangerous situations, it can become problematic when triggered by everyday challenges like work, family responsibilities, or financial pressures. Understanding the sources of your stress is the first step in managing it effectively. Take some time to identify what triggers your stress. Is it your job, your relationships, financial concerns, or perhaps a combination of factors? By recognizing the specific stressors in your life, you can start to address them more effectively. Keep a stress journal for a week or two to track your stress triggers and your reactions. This can help you identify patterns and make changes where necessary. One of the most effective coping mechanisms for managing stress is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. It's about being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. By staying grounded in the present, you can reduce the tendency to ruminate on past events or worry about the future, both of which can contribute to stress. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness meditation. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensations of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. With regular practice, mindfulness can become a powerful tool for managing stress. Deep breathing exercises are another simple yet effective way to reduce stress. When you're stressed, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Deep breathing helps activate the body's relaxation response, reducing your heart rate and promoting a sense of calm. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle a few times until you feel more relaxed. Physical activity is a fantastic stress reliever. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It also helps improve your sleep, which can be negatively affected by stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be a brisk walk, a bike ride, a swim, or even a dance session in your living room. Find an activity you enjoy so that you're more likely to stick with it. Getting enough sleep is crucial for managing stress. Lack of sleep can make you more susceptible to stress and can impair your ability to cope with stressors. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This might include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle yoga stretches. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed, as the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Nutrition also plays a vital role in how your body handles stress. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support your body and mind. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, which can contribute to anxiety and mood swings. Instead, opt for foods that promote calm and relaxation, such as leafy greens, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, and herbal teas. Another essential coping mechanism is building a strong support network. Having someone to talk to can make a big difference in how you manage stress. Reach out to friends, family members, or colleagues when you're feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes, just talking about your stressors can help you feel more understood and less alone. If you don't feel comfortable discussing your stress with those close to you, consider seeking the help of a mental health professional. Therapy can provide you with tools and strategies for managing stress more effectively. Time management is another crucial aspect of coping with everyday stress. When you feel overwhelmed by your to-do list, it's easy to become stressed and anxious. Learning to prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively can help reduce stress. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and set realistic deadlines for yourself. Use tools like planners, calendars, or digital apps to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks or ask for help when needed. Setting boundaries is another important strategy for managing stress. It's easy to become overwhelmed when you take on too much or allow others to impose on your time and energy. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize your own needs. This might mean setting limits on your work hours, taking regular breaks, or creating a designated space for relaxation in your home. Engaging in hobbies and activities that you enjoy can also help reduce stress. Whether it's painting, gardening, playing a musical instrument, or reading a good book, doing something you love can provide a much-needed break from stressors and boost your mood. Make time for these activities regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Practicing gratitude can also help shift your focus away from stressors and towards the positive aspects of your life. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This could be something as simple as a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a delicious meal. Keeping a gratitude journal can help you develop a more positive outlook and reduce stress. Humor is another effective stress reliever. Laughter releases endorphins, reduces the levels of stress hormones, and can help improve your mood. Watch a funny movie, read a humorous book, or spend time with people who make you laugh. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself and find humor in everyday situations. Spending time in nature can also help reduce stress. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body. Take a walk in the park, go hiking, or simply sit in your backyard and enjoy the sights and sounds of nature. Even a few minutes outside can help you feel more grounded and less stressed. Practicing self-care is crucial for managing stress. Self-care means taking time to do things that nourish and rejuvenate you. This could be taking a relaxing bath, practicing yoga, meditating, reading a book, or spending time with loved ones. Make self-care a priority and schedule regular time for it in your routine. Learning to manage your thoughts is another important aspect of coping with stress. Negative thinking patterns can contribute to stress and anxiety. Practice challenging and reframing negative thoughts. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I can't handle this," try replacing it with a more positive and empowering thought like, "I can handle this, and I will get through it." Developing a positive mindset can also help reduce stress. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Practice positive affirmations and surround yourself with positive influences. This could be uplifting books, podcasts, or spending time with positive and supportive people. Practicing relaxation techniques can also help manage stress. Progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, and deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and body. These techniques can be especially helpful during stressful situations or before bed to promote better sleep. Another important strategy is to stay organized. Clutter and disorganization can contribute to stress and make it harder to focus. Take some time to declutter your space and create a more organized environment. This can help you feel more in control and reduce stress. Engaging in creative activities can also help reduce stress. Whether it's painting, writing, knitting, or playing a musical instrument, creative activities can provide a much-needed outlet for stress and help you relax. Volunteering and helping others can also be a great way to manage stress. Helping others can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment, which can reduce stress. Look for volunteer opportunities in your community or find ways to help others in your daily life. Practicing mindfulness in your daily activities can also help manage stress. This means being fully present and engaged in whatever you're doing, whether it's eating, walking, or working. This can help you stay grounded and reduce the tendency to get lost in stressful thoughts. Taking regular breaks throughout the day is important for managing stress. Even a few minutes of stretching, deep breathing, or taking a short walk can help refresh your mind and body. Schedule regular breaks into your day to avoid burnout. Setting realistic goals and expectations is another important strategy for managing stress. It's easy to become overwhelmed when you set unrealistic goals or expect too much from yourself. Be kind to yourself and set achievable goals. Celebrate your progress and don't be too hard on yourself if things don't go as planned. Learning to manage your emotions is another important aspect of coping with stress. Practice identifying and expressing your emotions in healthy ways. This could be through journaling, talking to a friend, or engaging in creative activities. Don't bottle up your emotions, as this can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Another important strategy is to stay connected with others. Social support is crucial for managing stress. Reach out to friends and family members regularly and make an effort to maintain strong social connections. This can provide a sense of belonging and reduce feelings of isolation. Practicing relaxation techniques before bed can also help improve your sleep and reduce stress. This could be deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Learning to forgive and let go of grudges is another important aspect of managing stress. Holding on to anger and resentment can contribute to stress and negatively impact your mental and physical health. Practice forgiveness and let go of negative emotions to promote inner peace and reduce stress. Another important strategy is to stay active and engaged in your life. Pursue your passions and interests, set goals, and stay motivated. This can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment, which can help reduce stress. In conclusion, managing everyday stress is about finding the right balance of coping mechanisms that work for you. It's about being proactive and taking steps to reduce stressors in your life, while also developing healthy habits and strategies for managing stress when it arises. By practicing mindfulness, staying active, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, building a strong support network, and engaging in activities you enjoy, you can significantly reduce the impact of stress on your life. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, stress is a natural part of life, but with the right coping mechanisms, you can navigate it more effectively and improve your overall well-being. Stay positive, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.